examinations, our midterm and final examinations, we always would say, let's construct our test items to be lab-like, right? Because it's our ways of preparing our students for the licensure exam. And in fact, even in the Department of Education, so if I may say so, our teachers spend a lot of time reviewing their students, their pupils, for the achievement test, for the different examinations and assessment, because they think that if they do well in the examinations, then that would also be an indicator of their good performance, and especially those coming from the public schools, that would be an indicator for the PBB. So that if the performance of your school is low in the NEET and the NAT, then chances are you may not be able to receive your performance productivity bonus, something like this is what we really experience as a reality.
I think it's on the level of policy and also culture. It's something that, the definite person is here.
Yeah, actually in the Department of Education, we believe that in order to have an objective way of assessing our students, we have to resort to, multiple choice type of test. Because so far, we have that way in order, because it's from all over the Philippines. Remember, we have 4 exits in the Department of Education. We have in grade 3, we call that as LAP G. Then we have NAT 6, we have NAT 10, and we have NAT 12. And therefore, if we want to evaluate whether our students did reach the standards, then the National Achievement Test, multiple choice type of test, as ever from the start up to this 2016, still we are using that. Because sabihin na natin na if we will be doing other thing that might resort to an unfair evaluation of the achievement of our students. So still, we stick to the old paradigm, a multiple choice type of test, a standardized test. However, if our country can make another machine, we have the BEA now, the LTRC. Kung meron pang ibang way to assess our students in a more objective way, then we can do so. As of the moment, multiple choice test, standardized test, given by the LTRC and the BEA is considered in the DepEd as standard.
Let me just share with you my insight regarding awakening and developing the powers of creativity. Probably I can engage now the audience to a very simple exercise. One of the most important muscles in our body is our human brain, which I think is rarely taught by teachers in the field. Are you still with me? Yes. Yes or no? Yes. May I ask now the members of the group to kindly recite now the days of the week. Go!
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Perfectly delivered. This time, I would like you now to recite the days of the week alphabetically. Go! Develop the powers of creativity. Why don't we allow teachers now to start thinking outside the box? Yes or no? My dear colleagues, I have only one lesson to leave you. Let's all learn from our neighboring country, the very tiny Singapore. In Singapore, you know very well, when examinations are given, it only covers the 3 basic subjects: math, English, science. Sa Pilipinas, sa ating exam, lahat. At kapag nag-i-exam na ang mga bata, kasama ang mga nanay nag-review. At ang mga nanay gagawa pa ng reviewer niya, to our goals. At pagkatapos ng exam, the mom will confront the child, anak, nakuha mo ba to? Ano sagot ng anak? Dahil hindi po. Ano sabi ng nanay? Anak, inaral natin yan. Ano sagot ng anak? Mami, alam mo pala, sana ikaw na lang kumuha ng test. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been punishing our kids with all the learning areas. It's high time now that we rethink our assessment practices. Makita niyo po sa mga DepEd schools, sa mga bubong, ano nakalagay sa inyo? Mga Diyos, mga tao, mga bayan, at ang hirap maintindihan a reflection of our idealism, something we learned from the Americans. Correct? But look at Singaporean schools. Ano po ang motto ng mga Singapore schools? Thinking schools, learning nation. Thinking schools, learning nation. If we can make every school a thinking school, this nation will learn a lot of things. Pag-isipan po natin yun, mga kapatid.